Hi YouTubers, hit that button if you want to see more of this. This is for the kids. The birds are under a lot of stress, so I got some old bread that was laying around and going bad. So if you got one of these grinders, this is not for you. I just put that in there like that. And you find that the birds like this stuff. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's not wasting anything. So let's walk out to where I can put it out to show you. Naturally, we have to be hooked on this stand. Oh boy, I just love this. There, did you go for a ride? Hang on. I built this little platform here for the birds. Yeah, let's see if we can get the door open. I'm gonna have to switch hands. Yeah, this is what I do every morning. And the birds love this stuff. This is for the, that small bird. I forget. Okay, now we'll sit back and watch them come and eat. I'll have to shut it down and we'll set it back up in a few minutes. Be right back.